Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you are doing good today. My name is Sylvester Ladijano, where I provide resources to bridge tech gaps for productivity and for profitability. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to build a very beautiful blog on WordPress by yourself. So I'm going to walk you through step by step without anybody's help. You'll be able to build your own blog and even build blog for people and make money with it. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget this is Sylvester Aladejano. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Please. One subscribe means one algorithm destroy for the YouTube. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be aware whenever I drop more video on building websites, building blog, adding features to website, and also making videos centered around making money online with telecommunication, tech, affiliate marketing, and lots more. Without further ado, let's jump straight to deal of the day. So what I'm going to be doing right away is I'm going to be taking you step by step on this list. So first thing we want to do is get and set up your hosting and domain. Before you get your website up and running, you have to understand what domain and hosting is. Domain name is like your mobile phone number, which is used to identify that you are the owner of this mobile line. So the same thing, you have a domain name, you have IP address. So IP address can also be called as the domain name. So this is used to identify you that you are the owner of this. But for you to get for you to easily remember things, then we use domain name. So here I'm going to be showing you how to get and set up your hosting and domain. Then we'll be installing the WordPress. Then we'll be doing some basic settings on WordPress. Then we'll be adding our site account. We'll be activating Elementor. We'll move to activating of Elementor Pro. Then we begin the action of today, which is to create the header of your blog, create the menu, make some blog post lists, work with the sidebar. Then we create a category page, make a blog post page, footer, work on our footer to make it more nice. Then we'll do some feature posts. We'll be creating our email subscribe form on the blog post page. Then we'll create a contact page where people can reach out to us on the blog. So without too much delay, if you check the description of this video, you're going to get a link that will take you to Bluehost, where you can purchase your domain and hosting at the cheapest price. So if you use the link at the description of this video, you're going to be getting some discount for yourself. You also get another link that takes you to Google. So if you prefer to use Google, if you prefer to use Bluehost, you are free to use any of them. Get your hosting, register your domain, and start building your website. So right now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go straight to my hosting provider. So I'm going to be installing my WordPress right on this domain right here. Okay. Okay, so for you to install your WordPress, I want to believe you've set up your domain and hosting. So what you want to do right now is you want to go ahead and install WordPress on your hosting. So once you get to WordPress client area, either you use Google Host or you use Bluehost, once you get your client area, you're going to see where to access your cPanel. So I just access my cPanel directly. Then if you scroll down, you look for where we have software. This is security, this is software. So where we have software, you can easily click on Stuff Plus App Installer. When you click on Stuff Plus App Installer, then you can easily install your WordPress from here. You can also see it from here. You can click on it, but I'm going to follow from here. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this page. There are a lot of CMS right here. There are a lot of things that you can make use of here, but we are dealing with WordPress in our case. So you click on install right here. This is WordPress, then you click on install. So once you get right here, you have to make sure that you install your SSL. So I'm going with this option. If you look at this, you see that there's a padlock, which means this site is secure. The SSL has been installed. Make sure you install your SSL. Then provide your blog name, provide the description for your blog name, provide a username for you to access your WordPress backend, where you can manipulate everything for yourself. So you can also provide your email address in case WordPress wants to send you anything. So after doing all of this, then what you want to do right now is click on install. So I'm not going to install because I have something right here that is already installed. So I just show you this process so that you can know how to install your WordPress once you get your hosting and domain. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be working on my local server right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to wordpress.org, where I'm going to be downloading my WordPress. Right, we have wordpress.org. As you can see here, I'm going to be dropping every link. You see a link that says resources. This is where I'm going to be dropping every link that I use in this video. So what I want to do right now is I want to scroll down very well. You see Get WordPress here. You can also see it here, Get WordPress here. So I'm going to click on Get WordPress here. Then I'm going to be downloading the WordPress core file. So I'm going to be downloading this. You can see that my download has started already. So I'm going to be downloading this right away. Downloading the WordPress right away. So when I'm downloading this, what I want to show you right now is I want to prepare a folder. So what I'm going to be calling this blog right now is okay. So I'm going to create a new folder called Cash Today. So right now, what I'm going to do right now here is I'm going to expand this so that you can see it clearly. So this is inside my XAMPP. So I believe you should know all this process already. This is inside htdocs. So if you are using XAMPP 1, this is inside my htdocs. So I've created this empty folder and I've unzipped all the core file from the WordPress that I just downloaded. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to don't mind me, cash. Okay, so let's see if it works or it doesn't work. Oh, sorry. I need to also set up or start my Apache and SQL. I forgot that, so it's going to reload automatically. So we should see something now. Okay, it doesn't work. Zam cache today. What I discover right now is there's error in the htdocs. This is my working htdocs folder, so I have to change it to make show you a clean htdocs environment. If you look at the htdocs right here, so I'm going to change it. There's supposed to be X right here, so that's one of the things that this doesn't respond. Okay, so another thing I discovered was that my Apache doesn't start, so I have to click on start again. So these are the things that you need to look out for when you see that it's automatically loads when my Apache starts. So you have to make sure that your Apache is running and your SQL is also running. So what I want to do right now is click on continue. But before I click on continue, I have to go to my PHP my admin. PHP my admin. Oh, 127. Localhost. Okay, let me use localhost. PHP my admin. So right now I just open my PHP my admin. I've not been using this computer, so what I want to do right now is I want to create a new database. So I'm going to say localhost PHP my admin. Okay, so I'm going to click on new right here to create a new database. Then I'm going to call it cache today. Then I'm going to click on create. So the database has been created with an empty table. So I'm going to go back right here. I'll go back right here, then I'll click let's go. So my database name is this. So I'm going to copy this, put it there. Then username is roots, empty password. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then I'll click submit. So I said, alright Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. So I'm doing all of this on the local server. So if you are doing it right here, you don't need all of those processes. Everything will be automated for you. What you just need to do is select, make sure your domain is secure, install your SSL, then put all of this, then just click install right here. So because I'm doing this, I love doing all my projects on the local server so that I can test everything that I want to test before moving to the production. So run the installation now. So I'm going to say cache today, then username cache today. Okay, Sylvester, or let me use this King developer. Okay, so I think this is okay. So I'm going to click install WordPress. So this is going to install the WordPress for me, right? So it's going to install the WordPress for me immediately. Then it's going to say login. So I'm going to log in right away. So I've installed my WordPress right here. So as you can see, I'm running on WordPress 5.9. so this is the latest version, the one we downloaded from here, 5.9.2, right? This is it right here. So this is the version that we are running on. So what we want to do first is we want to, okay, let's clean our tab. I want to make this tab as clean as possible. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is what we have right on this our blog. So we want to make it we want to make something reasonable like this. So I'm going to, so right here we have this. So we've successfully installed our WordPress right now. So next thing we want to do right now is we want to go to, let me open the schema. So what we want to do right now is we want to do some basic WordPress settings and our site icon. So I'll go back to the WordPress backend. So once you go to your hosting, you install your WordPress. Then for you to access your WordPress backend, that will be your domain name /wp admin. So this will take you to the back end of your WordPress. So your WordPress admin is where you have your WordPress backend. So let's go to settings, let's go to general. So this is where you have, it's better that you always edit this. So if you put your arrow right here, you're going to see just another WordPress site. So this is what you have under your title. This is where you can change your title. This is where your site title is. This is where your tag line is. Then if you have a membership or WordPress site, then you have to check this button to make sure that people can register on your WordPress. So depending on your time zone, so make sure you set your time zone correctly. Where I am right now is +1. I want English. My time is okay, so I'll click save changes. Then another settings we want to do right is you want to keep everything clean. You want to go to permalink under settings. Then you want to say post name. So I always like post name. In some cases you might have an issue using any other format, though if you go to some blogs, to some websites, you're going to see them using date and name, but I prefer post name because it's always clean. Then I'll click on save changes. When we click on save changes, then we'll go to our WordPress site. We'll reload right now. When we reload our WordPress site, nothing has changed so far. So what we want to do right now is we want to install a theme. Then as you can see that this is the default theme that we have right here. This is another theme right here. If I activate this, you're going to see that the look of my website is going to change. So this is the 2021 theme. On most websites, on most blogs, this is what you're going to see at first, but when the new version of the WordPress 2021 comes out, then this is what we have right here. So what I want to do first is I want to install right now I want to follow the schema to install my plugin, because what we have right here is to do some basic settings and our site icon, then install our Elementor. But before I install Elementor, I'm going to bring this. Okay, so I'm going to bring this right here. So I'm going to go to my backend, then I'm going to go to appearance, then I'm going to go to customize. When I go to customize, from customize I can add my site icon. So if you can see from here right now that here we have this is the site icon, this is the site icon, this is the site icon, but mine is bringing the World Wide Web. If you are on the internet, okay, let me just pause. If you are on the internet so many times, you're going to be seeing something like this. You can see the appearance of our site right now. There's nothing better here. So what we want to do first is we want to change the site logo, then the site icon. So most people call this favicon. So the recommended size for site icon or favorite icon is 512 by 512 pixel. I don't know why they recommend this, but what I'm going to be uploading first is the site logo. So from the site logo, I'm going to be bringing the 5 icon right here. So I'm going to do this. Okay, let me say skip cropping. So you can see here that we have a site icon right here. So from here, I'm going to, we have our logo right here. So I'm going to set the site icon too. So I'm going to use this. Then I'm going to click select. Then I'm going to drag it somewhere here. Say crop image. So you can see now that it has changed from here. So any changes you make to your website, you have to click on publish for it to be effective on your website or your blog. If you are building a blog or you are building a website, you can also see it there. So this is what I'm going to write here. Then I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to open this. You can see now that we have something more reasonable here. You can see profitable tech solution. We now have profitable tech solution. Don't forget, we are doing all this project on our local server. So I've shown you how to run this on the live server, but I'm doing this on my local server right now to save resources. So another thing we want to do right now is we've installed our WordPress, we've done basic WordPress settings, we've seen the timing, the post link name, the permalink, then we've added our site link and our site logo. Now we want to activate Elementor. So if you want to upload or add WordPress plugin, I'm going to be showing you two methods you can use to upload plugin. So in this case, if you come right here, if you go to your cPanel right here, you're going to see your file manager right here. Then your file manager is the same as this. So if you are using FCP, you're going to see something like this where all your files are being dubbed. So if I go to public, so these are my, you can see that what we have here, you can see that what we have here is the same as we have on the live server. So I'm going to be showing you now. So if I open content right here, okay, let me open it like this. If I open content right here, then you see that we have plugin theme upload, because I've added some other things right here. Then we have the same here. So I'm just letting you know that there is no difference in this. So once you can use the live server, you can also use the local server. Once you can use the local server, you can also use the live server. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be adding this manually. So I will drop a link at the description of the video where you can get your Elementor and your Elementor Pro. So if you go right here, if you click on add new, you can search for Elementor. Once you search for Elementor, then it's going to come out. You can install it right from here. So what I want right now is I'm going to be installing this Elementor plugin. Then I'm going to be installing this. I need this too, so I'm going to be installing this. So if I click on install now, it's going to install for me. Then I'm going to see it under install plugin. So the same thing that I want to do right here, I want to open this in a new window. I want to go right here. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be moving all this. This is Elementor, this is Elementor Pro, this is Premium. I have this. Okay, I have this too. I think this 4 is okay for me for now, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to plugin, then I'm going to paste it right here. So when I paste it right here, guys, I want you to pay attention. Right now you can see that I have just 2 plugins from here. So these are the previous plugins that were in that folder. So you can see now that I now have Elementor Pro, Essential add-on for Elementor Lite. So I'm going to do a refresh of this page. Then you're going to see that I now have 6 plugins. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to also delete this. I want to keep everywhere clean. So if I go right here now, you're going to see that the 2 has been deleted. So I'm going to click on this so that I can activate all of them at once. So when I activate all of them, then I'm going to get so I need to set this. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, so I've successfully installed Elementor and Elementor Pro right now. So what I want to do again now is I want to start working on our project. So we've installed Elementor, we've installed Elementor Pro. So let's go back to our plugin to confirm that Elementor and Elementor Pro are installed. So Elementor is installed and Elementor Pro is installed. So if you check at the description of this video, you're going to see a link to get your Elementor Pro for advanced feature of Elementor. So what I want to do, first thing I want to do right now is I want to work on my I want to start building our project right now. So first thing I want to do is I want to build an header, then I want to work on my menu. So guys, I don't want you to worry. I've done all the work for you. So what you just need to do is I drop a link at the description of this video where you can get this. I drop a resource here. So these are the JSON file that I've used to build this project. So what I'll be doing right now is I'll be giving you all this for free right now. So I'm going to create a new page called home. This will be our default home page. So if I click on view right now, then it's going to bring me to this home page. Now see, our website is not too okay right now. So I want to make some changes. Right now, what I want to do is I want to edit the home page with Elementor. So once I click on edit with Elementor, then it's going to take me to a page where I will add content. So right now I'm going to click on going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. Okay, I would like to change my theme first. Let me change my theme before I proceed. Which theme should I go with? There are a lot of free themes out there that you can make use of. There are lots of free themes out there. We have Astra, we have which theme should we go with? Okay, let me go with Astra. Let me see what we can build with Astra. I already have a premium tools I use for all my projects. If you go to this place right here, you see my premium WordPress Premium kit. So if you go to this WordPress theme right here, you can download my premium theme that I use for my project. So it has a lot of free templates to use. You just click, you install, then you start building your project. You don't need to start looking for design. They have some inbuilt design that you can make use of. So I'm going to do a reload of this page right now. Let's see what we can build, or let's see from here what we can build with Astra. So I use Astra for blog. Let's see what we can build with Astra right now. So as you can see, when I install Astra, it comes with a default sidebar from here. So what I want to do is, okay, I want to do a reload right here. I want to cancel this. I want to do this again, put this here, then I want to do this again, put this here. So what I want to do right now is this will be my header. This will be my right here. I have header, then I have menu. So what I want to do first is I want to do something right here. Okay, let me look for image to bring down right now. So right now what I want to do right now is I want to do something like this. I want to add a head title. Okay, let me go to, before we start building, let me go to Team Builder first. Okay, so here we have some features that you can use to build your website. We have for header, footer, single post, single page, archive, and search results. So just show you that in case you need to do some settings for yourself. So I'm going to click on this. So under content we have profitable tech solution. So this is H2. I want to make it H1. Then I want to go to styling. I want to make it black. So you can just drag any color you want. You can drag your color. So any color you want. So I've picked a color right here. So this is the color code that I want to use right here. So I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go right here and put this here. So this is the color I want to use. Then when I click, I'm going to click on this plus icon so that you save the color for future use. So I'm going to click on this. So anytime I want to add a text color, I can just click on this global, then I can scroll here and pick this color. So I think this will make your work more easy. So I'm going to click on that, then I can increase the size. Let's say 25, that's small. 35, no, 40, 50. Okay, I think it's better. So what I want to do on this column right here is I want to make it stretch and I want to make it full width. So when I make it full width, then it's going to get to the edge. Okay, let me make it box. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's better, so it doesn't pass the logo. So I'm going to make it box, then I'm going to make it stretch. Okay, so this is the section, this is the row right here, this is this section. So if I want to edit, I can just click on this and edit. So the 9 dots is where you pick other things to add. So I'm going to click on this to add some text. So if you want to add some text, you can add text. Then I'm going to get the button right here. So I'm going to add the button inside. So I'm going to add it, and I'm going to say, I'm going to change the text to get resources. Then I'm going to this is where you can link it. So you can link it, you can make it a longer link. Most times if you are creating a button and the button is very small, you don't want it to be aligned, you don't want it to be fine, you want it to be full width, just click on justify. I want it small, and I want the color as black. I want my button color as black. I want some shadow for my button. I want this to be 10. I want this to also be 10. I want this to be 5. I want this to be 4. Okay, 3. Okay, it's better. I think it's better like this. Okay, let me make it 15. Okay, I think it's better now. So I want my button to be okay. I want this to be aligned right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I want this to be here. So the button will be somewhere here. Okay, I think it's better. So somewhere here. Then I'm going to click on this, on the section. Then I'm going to go to style. Then I'm going to go to background style. Then I'm going to pick an image. I'm going to click on upload, draw file here. I'm going to go to my folder. I'm going to go to XAMPP, htdocs, our resource page, images. Then I'm going to put it. So I click on insert. This doesn't look good. We have someone already here. So I'm going to say center. You can see it's coming out now. Then I'm going to say repeat, no repeat. I'm going to say size cover. Cover is not good. And I'm saying contain. So if I say contain, then it's going to contain. It's not going to be nice. Then I'm going to say cover. So I'm going to change this height to something. I'm going to say fit to screen, no, minimum height. Then I'm going to say 600. 600 is too much. Let me put it as 400. So I think 400 is better. So I'm going to make this text. I'm going to change the style. I'm going to change the style to white, which is FFF. So I think it's look better now. This is what I want. So I can also change this text. I can also change this text to something. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So if you go to our website right now, if I do a reload, then you're going to see that nothing is coming up yet because we've not done the major settings that we need to do. So if I go to home right here, okay, so if I go to home, Okay, you can see that this is what we have right now. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this from here. Then I will go back to Elementor. I want to add my own menu below here. I want the menu to be here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on this. So I've created a template for you already. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to click on templates, my templates. So you look at the description of this video, you're going to see this template right here, the one I call menu.json. So if I drag it here, if I click on this import, I'll click on import first, then I'm going to drag my menu.json right here. An error has occurred. Okay, I'm going to drag it again. An error has occurred. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, so I'm going to drop a link to the JSON file right there. But what I have right now, okay, I think let me drop this. Yeah, error still occur. Okay, so guys, let's just do this right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. This is not something too serious. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to select something on this. So what I want first is a share button. That's the social icon. That's the social icon. So I'm going to put 3 social icons, right? Then I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to drag it like this. Then here I'm going to put menu. So I'm going to work on this navigation menu. Then I'm going to give it some, or you can decide to show vertical, that's like this, and decide to show horizontal like this. So if you are showing vertical, it would be better to put it at this side. So I don't want any underline. Okay, let it be at the left, so as the primary. Okay, let me go to style. Let me go to, I like black. Let me change it to black, and let me make it 16. 16 is okay. Text color, text over, I'll make it this. Okay, so when we over on it, then the active should be the color. So the active should be the color. Then drop down, I want the drop down text color to be black. I don't need any background. Okay, sure. If I'm going to give it a background, then this should have a background on its own. Okay, so that means I'm going to change this background to this. So does this really works here? Okay, let me make it something like this. Okay, so I think this is better. This is better right now. So this is what I want, right? So I'm going to remove. Okay, let's check our home page. So you can see right now that we have our menu here. So I'm going to remove the menu right here. So our page is getting set together. So we've been able to add the header, we've been able to add the menu. Then what we want to do right now is we want to do blog post list. So we want to do some listing right now to show some blog posts. So what I want to do right now is I want to click on this, then I want to click on this right here. So right here we are going to be displaying our blog post, then we're going to be displaying the sidebar right inside of here. So what I want to do right now is I want to create some fake posts right now. Let me quickly create some fake posts right now. If you can see from here that we don't have, if I go to blog, we don't have any blog posts right now. So I'm going to go right to my back end, then I'm going to go to post or posts. When I go to a post, then the only post I have right here is hello world. For me to add a new post, I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to put the post title. So I think okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create some fake posts right here. Okay, let me close this. I'm going to duplicate 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 this. Then I think it's okay. So I'll just copy this from here. I'll just copy this from here, then I'm going to paste it here, then I'm going to add a feature image, right? So I've put this right here. So I'm going to create just 4 of this, then I'm going to do like this. Okay, the feature image is trying to load up right now. So we have a feature image, and I'm going to click on publish. Right now my post is ready. If you look at it, you see that the post is very horrible. It's not so good. So what I'm going to do right now, you can see that we have leave a comment on categorize, then the author. So this is what we have, and we have an horrible comment section right here. So what I want to do right now is I want to do 4 of this, then I'll continue the video. Right now I've created some fake blog posts, as you can see from here. So I just create some fake blog post right here. So I'm going to go back to my Elementor, then I'm going to do okay, let me save this first, then I'm going to do a reload of this page. When I do a reload of this page, then we'll start to add our blog post list, then we'll work with our sidebar. So right here I have this 2 option here, so I'm going to make it 13. Okay, so I'll put post here, posts, then I'll click on this. Then as you can see here, this is what we have. This is not really nice, so I want just this is 3 column, I want just 2 column. Okay, I think it's better. I want 2 column, then I want just okay, I only have 4. Okay. That's the fake 4 post that I just created just for the purpose of making this training. So I'm going to make okay, let me make it 100%. Then should we clear this? Oh no. Okay, let's put some part right here. Then let's make it 15. So let's make it 15. Then let's remove read more here. Let's remove read more. Then I want to remove the separator. Then I also want to remove the comments, the dates on this particular area. I think it's look better now. It's look better now. So I want to make sure that I'm including them by term. Okay, let me say I've created the category called politics. So under politics, these are the ones that we have for politics. So I'm going to do quick edit. So we have politics for this. Okay, we have politics for this. Then I'll update. Then quick edit. We have politics for this. So I want all the 4 posts that I just created to be under the politics category. So I'm going to reload again. Let me update first, then I reload. Okay, so I'm going to do a reload. Okay, so we have it here. So what I want to do right now is this place is okay now. So what I want to do right now is I want to work with the sidebar. So we want to create something more like this. We want to create something more like this. So I'm going to click on save images. Junior. Okay, no internet. So I'm going to connect my internet right now so that we can download those images. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to download image again, Jumia. Okay, so we just downloaded that. Then I also want to download this save image, Bluehost. Okay, so I'll go right here now. Then I'm going to add from here. I'm going to add an image. So I'll click on this, then I'll drag this here so that I can make use of this site media. So you can see that we have this right now. So we have this right now. Then okay, I don't need to write anything. We have this right now. So I want to put some divider. I want to put a divider under here. Under here, I want to put a divider. Under here, then I want to add some text. I want to say sponsor. I want to say sponsor. Then I want to align it to the left. Also, I want to, okay, let me leave it there. Let me come to style. I want to make the width 2. Then I want the text to be at the left so that we have something like this. Let me change the text color to black. Then the divider color should be this. Okay, should be this. The divider color should be this. Then I don't want any gap. So okay, so I want to remove underline from here. Okay, so I also want to put pagination, previousness. Okay, this is not necessary here. I'll go to query, then I'm going to go to layout. I'm going to styling, contents. The color should be black. I want it black. I want it black. Then the box layout is okay. So I think it's okay now. So I'm going to add another image here. But before I add another image, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to duplicate. So when I duplicate, I'm going to click on this. Copy. I'm going to click on this, duplicate. Seems I didn't copy, delete. So I'm going to duplicate, then I'll drag this right here. Okay. Sometimes it's hard to get it inside, so what I'm going to do right now, okay, let me delete one of these. Copy, duplicate. It's not coming. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm going to click on paste. Sorry, I was pressing the wrong thing. I'm supposed to click on paste. I was duplicating, so this column should be if it's 2, this is bad, this is not showing very well. So I'm going to make it okay. Let's check the mobile responsiveness. So you can see that this area is responsive on the mobile. And we also need to drag this a little more to this side, so we're going to work on that soon. So but let's work on this first. This is not what I want, so I'm going to click on this first, then I'm going to make this one color, then I'm going to image size, image position, left. Then let's say image should be 35. Image position should be 35. Okay, 35. Okay, I think it's better. So I don't need any of this. You can see now that it look more better and they are dynamic content. So these are dynamic content. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to change this text to, I'm going to change this to my favorites. Then I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to paste it here and say sponsor. Then I'm going to drag in another image right here. I'm going to drag in another image right here. I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to put my blue holes right here. I'm going to put blue holes right here. As you can see, our sidebar is coming together. So I'll click on updates. I'll click on update right here. Then okay, let's check what we have right now. Let's check what we have right here. Okay, boom. Okay, so this is what we have already. You can see that we are getting the output right. So we are getting our output already. So this is what we have right here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add some. Let's add some more. Okay, let's just go to here. Then let's duplicate this. So when you are doing your work, make sure you are not pressing duplicate when you're supposed to press paste. So this is very important. This is very important. You can see now our sidebar is ready. Our sidebar is ready. So the sidebar is ready now. So our sidebar is ready. So if I go to okay, let me just cancel this. So let me cancel this. I think we have our sidebar now. Then we have our blog post. So we've created our header and menu. We've created our list blog post. Then we've created our sidebar. So right now I'm going to create my category page. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to all pages. Then I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'm going to say politics. Then I'm going to say politics. Then I'm going to update. I'm going to say edit with Elementor. So when I get to this particular page right here, I'm going to say I'm going to add a header that says politics articles. So I'm going to display this. So every article under politics will be showing right here. So I'm going to make this black. I like black a lot, black and white. I like it a lot. So every post right here is going to be politics. So if I say, if I go back, go to query, cancel this. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go now and create an empty category and call it ads. I'm going to create an empty category and call it ads. So when I come right here, I'm going to publish this. When I publish this, I'm going to do a reload. Then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to query heads. So I'm going to remove politics just for you to see that it works. I'm going to put heads. So when I put heads, we don't have anything right here because no post is under heads right now. So I'm going to go back to politics. So everything I want to show right here should be politics. Then I want to put some pagination here, previousness, page limits should be 6. So right here, then I'm going to go back right here again, go to this. I'm going to do like this. I'm going to click on view. So you can see that we have politics here. We have politics right here. So I'm going to remove. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave it like this. Then I'll go to here. I'll go to my menu. Then I'm going to go to menu right here. Then I'm going to add politics. Add politics to menu. I'm going to go to home. Then I'm going to click on save menu. So right here you're going to see that we're going to have a category called politics. So you see that we have politics here and we also have politics here. So this menu that we created earlier is a dynamic menu. So for every menu item that you are adding right here is also going to be popping up right here unless you change the query from here. You get? So that is what we have right there. So far we've been able to create the header and the menu. We've been able to do our blog post list. We've created our sidebar. We've created the category page. So what we want to do right now is we want to do our blog post page right now. So we'll go to here, then go to blog post. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to Elementor. I'll go to templates. I'll go to team builder. So right here, when I go to team builder, then you're going to see available team builder option here. So I'm going to click on single post because we wanted to create our blog post page right away. So I'm going to click on new, then I'll click on this single post, then I'll click on blog post templates, then I'll click on create new. So when I click on create new, it's going to take me to a page where I can manipulate how my blog post page will look like. So I don't want to use any of these templates. So I want to cancel. Okay. So what I want is I want to add this right now. So first thing I want to add, you can see that automatically Elementor filter all of this to suit my posts. So you can see that we are not getting all of this first, so we are getting them at the top. So what I want to do right is I want the post title. I want the post title, so it automatically pick one of the posts. So I want the post title, then I want it to be left aligned. I also want I want the info. I want to post info. I don't want the author name, I don't want the comment, so I only need the time and date. So I also don't want any okay, I don't want any icon, so I'm going to clear this off. Let me make it black. Okay, let's go back here. Icon, none. Then icon, none. So I don't want anything here. I want it to be clean as much as possible. Then post content. So I'm going to drag it here. I'm going to drag it right here. You can see now that we have post content. We have post content. I want my post content to have this color. Then I'll put on feature image right here. So I want feature image to be by the left. I want my feature image to be by the left, which is okay. So this is how I want my post page to look like. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to duplicate this, then I'm going to drag it like this. I'm going to drag it to 30. Okay, I'm going to drag it to 30, then I'll go back to this page. Then I'm going to save this as a template. I'm going to, okay, I can see it from here, save as template. Then I'll call it sidebar templates. Then I'll click on save changes. I will go back to the blog post page. I'm going to click on publish right now, add condition, all singular is okay, save changes. So when I click on save changes, then I'll do a reload of this particular page to add my sidebar. So what I want to do right now is I want to add a sidebar. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete, then delete, then I'm going to click on templates right here. I'm going to click on templates right here, then I'm going to select sidebar template, then I'm going to click on update. Okay, we have the wrong okay, I'm supposed to pick this sidebar 2. So sorry for that. I'm going to pick that, then I'm going to say reload. So what I'm going to do is just go back right here. I'll go back right here to save. Okay, so I think it's working fine now. So this is a template, as you can see from here. So what I did was I have to click on edit column, then save as template. So on our single post page, then we have a template right here. So this is what I want for this particular single post page. Then I'll click on update right here. So on this same page, I want to show some posts. Okay, so I want to show just 3. I want to show by So as you can see right here that the visitor is reading this particular blog post, and they can also see it right here. So I want to exclude current blog post, then I want to add this. I want to copy this, then I want to paste it right here, so it's going to show as I want to show title. Heading. Okay, so I'll call it related articles. Then I'll go to this and remove this. Okay, so you see that we've excluded the current posts from the related articles. So this is better. So guys, we're almost done with this. So we're almost done with this. Then we go to footer. Right now. Now we are done with our blog post. So if I go here, if I go to blogs, if I go to this, so this is how all our blog posts will display. They will have a related article under them. So we go to this. So you're going to see the title, the same thing, then we're going to have related article. So this is how we've been able to create our blog post page. So next thing we want to do is we want to do our footer. So we want to work on our footer right now. So I'll go back to the WordPress admin area. Okay, I'll go back to my dashboard. So I want to clear all of this right now. So here under templates, we'll go to theme builder again, then we'll go to our WordPress filter. So you can see we have blog post template. Then I want to create a filter template right now. So I'm going to click on add new filter templates. Okay, I'm going to click on footer template right now. So I'm not going to use any templates right here. I'm just going to go to my own templates. So what I want to do is I just want something like this. Then I'll go to the templates. Is it this? Is it this? I think it's this. So I'll click on no. I think it should be this. No. Content area. Okay, so I'm going to add one of these. So first thing I want to do is I want to add another column. Duplicates, then I want to drag this, then I want to come here, I want to put site logo, then I want to write some text. So I just want something as simple as this. Powered by technology. Okay, so I'm going to put an anchor tag. What's wrong? Something is wrong there. Oh, I got it. This should come first. before this, then this come after. Okay, it's good now. So this is what I want. So I want some black color, then I want it to be 5, 10 or 15. Okay, then I want the typography to be 16, 20. Okay, 20 is better. Then I'll click Save Changes. So it's trying to load now. Okay, so let's refresh this page and see what we have all together. We have something bad here. Something happened here. Wow. Okay, let's go back to this page. Let's go back to this page. Let me bring this out first. Okay, I want something pink. Loading. Okay, so this page is getting some more. So some errors just come up and I now have to rectify them. So this is what we have right here on this page. So this is what we have right here, and I think this page looks better now. See what we also have here on our footer. So right on this page we have the slide, get resource. We have the menu, we have the blog post sidebar. So we also work on the footer. So right now I'm going to show you how to create an email subscribe form. So what I want to do right now is I want to install a plugin. So I'll drop the link at the description of this video where you can pick it up. Where you can pick the plugin up. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to plugin, then I'm going to paste this right here. When I paste this right here, then you're going to see fluent form. So I'm going to use this. Okay, let me go to the admin area. Okay, I'll go to plugin, then I'll go to activate, then I'll come right on this page. So what you can do right now is you can create another section right here. Then you can, okay, let me click on this stretch. I'll click on this, I'll click on posts. So you can create posts. For feature post right here, you can create something like this and say column 1, column 3 and then 1. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to remove read more. I'm going to remove this. Then I'm going to remove date and time. Date and time. I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to do something like this so that it can be different. I'm going to do something like this. Ascending. Okay, so that we can have something different. So here you can add your feature posts. So I don't want to create a lot of posts in this video. So here you can add your feature posts right here. So you can add your feature posts. So what I want to do right now is I want to add another section here. I want to add two sections here. Then I'm going to call this to bring a subscription form. So I'm going to click this. You can connect this using API. So you can connect this using API that everyone that submit this form should go to your email list on your website. So I'll just say want to get free resources weekly. So I'll just do something like this. Then subscribe. So I'm going to bring Lorem right here. I'm going to bring Lorem right. So I'm going to bring Lorem. Okay, I think this is good. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this, then say 20, 25. Okay, let me remove it from the left, then the right. So it should be this. So it will be center along with this. So I'm going to do some background. I'm going to do some background color. I think it's better like this. Okay, it's better like this. Then I click update. So when I click update, then now we've added our email subscription form like we added here. So I'm going to do a quick contact page right now. I'm going to do a quick contact page. I don't want this video to be longer than this, so if you know you just want to build a basic blog, you can go from here. So you can just go from here. So we've done the major things for a basic blog. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on new, then click on pages. Okay, let's see pages. We have pages right here. So I'm going to import a template right now. I've added this template already, so I'm going to click on edit. So before we do, I'll see right here that we have this right here. We have this right here. So we have this right here. So I'm going to do a quick edit. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. So it's trying to load right now. Okay. So you want me to do anything on any part of this video, you want me to do a separate video on any part of this video, please let me know at the comment section. Please guys, don't forget, do me a favor, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Okay, this related article is showing on every other page, so okay, I'm going to remove that. So I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to put templates from here. I'm not sure the internet has said okay. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, here is what I want to pick. So I'm going to use this for my contact page. Let me see. So I'm going to pick something very simple. Okay, let me just go to contacts. Okay, so I'm going to pick something simple as this. So this is the template I'm going to use on this contact page right now. Okay, it's loading right now. Okay, so it just loaded. Then you can put in your phone number, your email address, your contact form. So I'm going to put in a contact form right here where people can message us. Okay, sometimes it gets hard to get this right in here. Okay, so I'm going to say contact form. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, so I'm going to put something like this. Message for business inquiries. So what I do in this video, that I just do a simple blog that anybody can build out there. So if you want me to make some advanced feature, if you want me to do some advanced stuff on the blog, just let me know. Anything you want me to work on in my next video, just let me know at the comment section. Anything you not get very well, let me know. You can send me email, you can drop a chat under this video. I'm going to reply to you. So this is a simple, okay, I'm going to, okay, so this is better. This is better. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this, but let's check. Okay, so I'm going to change the theme, but likely not in this video. What we actually want to achieve in this video, we're able to achieve it. So if you want to do some styling in your form everywhere, you want to do some edits, you can see that this form is cool, is amazing. So I'm going to remove this breadcrumb, remove this information from here, and we also remove this, and you can see the footer. So far we've been able to do the header and the menu, we've been able to do the blog post list, the sidebar, category page, blog post page, our footer, feature, our posts, then email, subscribe form, then the contact page. Guys, if you like this content, if you really like this content, please don't forget to drop me a like, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to say Sylvester, we like you, we love you. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. So far we've been able to build our blog. So one more thing you need to do is, if you notice, if we click on this home page right here, if you click on this home page right here, you will notice that we are not getting our main home page. So when we come to this website directly, this is what we are getting, is because we've not finished the basic settings that we need to do. So I'll go to pages, then we go to settings, you go to readings right here. When you go to readings, then you're going to see your home page display. So a static home page, then I'm going to change it to home. So when I change it to home, then I'll click on save changes. Okay, let's change this to So when you change that, then you go back to your home page, you click on the site logo. When you click on the site logo, then you're going to see that the main page that we designed is the one that we have right here. So you can see now that this is what we have right here. Guys, the reason why all of these are showing is we've not really customized the theme. I just go straight to building what we really want to build, right? So we've added our email subscribe form. So if you want me to do a separate video on how you can use Friend form to add subscribers to your email list, let me know at the comment section. Everything is done right now, and we have our menu here. All our menus are working: politics, about us, blog, contact, everything is working. So guys, I love you all. I believe you like this content. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get aware when I drop videos like this. Thank you very much. Love you all.